Hey guys, geeking to everyone. On this video, I'm gonna tell you about my 1 month Python course, and today is day number 21. So let's start. Okay, and first of all, I wanna check my plan. And the day number 21, the topic is practice exercises. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to copy all these topics for week number 3. Okay, I'm gonna copy that and go to ChatGPT. And what I'm gonna do is asking ChatGPT bot to provide information for the topic of the day number 21. Okay, first of all, I passed all these topics, and then I ask ChatGPT to provide for day 21 with with examples, of course, with examples. Okay, let's press enter. And we are waiting for reply. You see here a ChatGPT bot provides some information, and what I'm gonna do now is to check this out. On day 21, the focus is on practice exercises to reinforce and solidify the skills you have learned through the previous days. This day is designed to provide you with the opportunity to apply your knowledge to more challenging projects. The exercises will cover various aspects of Python programming, including working with dates and times, generators and iterators, decorators, file and directories manipulation, databases, and web scraping. So you see here is like 6 exercises. You can see there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. And one more time, I recommend you doing by your own and just ask ChatGPT bot to provide some exercises based on the topics you already learned, and you can practice by this way. So remember to break down the projects into smaller tasks and tackle them one at a time. This approach will help you maintain focus and make progress efficiently. Additionally, don't hesitate to consult the Python documentation, online tutorials, or forums if you encounter any difficulties during the exercises. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and ciao ciao.